What is the value of the expression 8 plus 88 divided by open parenthesis 5 minus 3 close parenthesis then times 2 to the power of 2? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? At first glance, this question looks very easy, but it confuses almost everyone. Let's dive in and break it down step by step together. Many people, to solve this question, first go to the expression 8 plus 88. And instead of this expression, they write 96 divided by 5 minus 3 inside the parentheses, then times 2 to the power of 2. And the next step, they go to the expression inside the parentheses and simplify this expression to 96 divided by 2 times 2 to the power of 2. Then, they perform the division between 96 and 2. And instead of this expression, they write 48 times 2 to the power of 2. And the final step, they go to the expression 2 to the power of 2 and simplify this expression to 48 multiplied by 4, which ultimately gives them the answer 192. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option D is the correct answer to this question. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Also, some other people when solving this question first go to the expression inside the parentheses and instead of this expression, they write 8 plus 88 divided by 2 times 2 to the power of 2. And the next step, they go to the exponent 2 to the power of 2 and simplify this expression to 8 plus 88 divided by 2 times 4. Then, they perform the multiplication between 2 and 4 because they believe multiplication has higher priority than division. So, instead of this expression, they write 8 plus 88 divided by 8. And the next step, they perform the division between 88 and 8 because they say division has priority over addition. So, they simplify this expression to 8 plus 11, which ultimately gives them the answer 19. And immediately, they conclude that option B is the correct answer to this question. However, it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let me explain step by step how to solve this expression properly. As you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have an addition sign, then a division sign, followed by parentheses, then a multiplication, and finally an exponent. To solve this question, we must follow the PEMDAS rule. And this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We must follow the order of operations step by step from top to bottom. So, we'll start with the parentheses first, because parentheses have the highest priority compared to the other operations. Okay, instead of this expression, we can write 8 plus 88 divided by 2 times 2 to the power of 2. And the next step, we go to the exponent, because exponent after parentheses has higher priority than the other operations. So, this expression simplifies to 8 plus 88 divided by 2 times 4. Alright, now it's time to perform the division and multiplication, because multiplication and division have higher priority than addition. However, we must pay close attention that multiplication and division have equal precedence. In this case, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression performing division and multiplication as we go. So, we'll start with the division between 88 and 2. And instead of this expression, we can write 8 plus 44 multiplied by 4. And the final step, we go to the multiplication between 44 and 4 because multiplication has higher priority than addition. So, this expression simplifies to 8 plus 176, which ultimately gives us the answer 184. That's great. Option C is the correct answer to this question.